Today we are going to learn about mastering Git branching strategies. We will explore essential Git branching techniques for efficient code management and collaborative development skills.
Welcome to our journey into the world of Git branching. In this video, we will unravel the fundamental concepts of Git branching. Git branches are a core feature of Git, facilitating isolated development and parallel workflows. Branches allow multiple developers to work on their own tasks without disrupting the main codebase. This is crucial for maintaining code quality and enhances collaboration among teams. By understanding branching, you're laying the groundwork for adopting advanced strategies that ensure efficient project management and high-quality software delivery. Branches are pivotal in fostering collaboration within software development teams. Imagine a scenario where multiple developers are working on different features of a project. Branching allows each developer to create an isolated environment where they can implement and test their features independently. This minimizes the risk of code conflicts and ensures that the main codebase remains stable. Moreover, branches are instrumental during code reviews, allowing peers to review changes before they are merged into the primary branch. This practice not only enhances code quality but also supports various project needs by accommodating diverse workflows within the same project, making branches an indispensable tool for collaborative development. The Git Flow Strategy is a robust branching model that provides a well-defined structure for managing projects. In Git Flow, there are two main branches, the master and develop branches. The master branch contains production-ready code, while the develop branch is used for integrating feature branches. Feature branches are used for developing new features, release branches prepare code for production releases, and hotfix branches address critical bugs in the production environment. This strategy enhances release management by providing clear guidelines on how and when to merge changes. It ensures that each phase of the project lifecycle is efficiently managed, making Git Flow an excellent choice for teams looking to improve their branching strategies.
Feature branches are a vital component of any branching strategy, designed to isolate new development work. When a new feature is developed, it is created in a separate branch, allowing developers to work independently without affecting the main codebase. This isolation facilitates parallel development, enabling multiple features to be developed simultaneously. Once the feature is complete and tested, it can be merged back into the develop branch, easing the integration process. Feature branches also enhance version control, as they provide a clear history of changes made for each feature, making it easier to track progress and revert changes if necessary. Hotfix branches are crucial for addressing critical issues that arise in the production environment. Unlike feature branches, hotfix branches are created to implement quick fixes for urgent bugs that need immediate attention. This separation ensures that the production environment remains stable while the necessary changes are made. Once the fix is applied, the changes are merged into both the master and develop branches, ensuring that the fix is included in future releases. Handling hotfix branches efficiently minimizes downtime and ensures that the production environment remains stable, which is vital for maintaining a high level of service quality.
Rebasing and merging are two methods used to integrate changes from one branch into another. Merging creates a new commit that combines the histories of both branches, preserving the chronological order of commits. This is useful when you want to maintain a complete history of changes. On the other hand, rebasing reapplies the commits of one branch onto the tip of another, resulting in a linear history. This can make the project history cleaner and easier to understand. However, rebasing can be risky in collaborative environments, as it rewrites commit history. Understanding when to use each method is crucial for maintaining a well-organized and accessible project history. Adopting best practices for branch naming is essential for maintaining an organized and efficient project repository. Consistent and descriptive branch names provide clarity and understanding for all team members. Standard naming conventions, such as including the type of branch, feature, hotfix, etc., and a brief description of its purpose, can greatly enhance the organization of branches. For example, a feature branch might be named feature/login functionality. This clear naming structure facilitates better communication among team members, as they can easily identify the purpose and status of each branch, reducing misunderstandings and improving overall efficiency. Visualizing branch structures can significantly enhance your understanding of a project's workflow. Tools like Git Kraken, SourceTree, and Git Lens offer visual interfaces that display the branch structure, commit history, and ongoing changes. These tools assist in tracking progress, as they provide a clear overview of where each branch stands and what changes have been made. Additionally, they help identify potential conflicts, enabling you to address them proactively. By visualizing the branch structure, you can gain a better understanding of the project's status and make informed decisions to guide its development effectively. Implementing Git Flow in your project can streamline your workflow and improve project management. To set up Git Flow, start by initializing your repository and creating the main branches, master and develop. As you progress, create feature, release, and hotfix branches according to your project's needs. Integrating Git Flow with existing workflows can be challenging, but the benefits, such as enhanced organization and clarity, make it worthwhile. Common challenges include adapting to new processes and managing branch proliferation. To overcome these, provide training for your team and establish guidelines for branch usage. With the right preparation and commitment, Git Flow can significantly enhance your project's efficiency.
Choosing the right branching strategy for your project requires careful consideration of several factors. First, evaluate your team size and project scope. Smaller teams or projects might benefit from simpler strategies, while larger teams may require more structured approaches like Git Flow. Understanding your project's requirements is crucial, as it helps you balance the complexity of the strategy with the simplicity needed for efficient workflow. Customizing strategies to meet your specific needs ensures that your branching approach aligns with your development goals. By carefully assessing these factors, you can select a branching strategy that optimizes your project's success.
Let's explore a real-world case study where a team successfully implemented a branching strategy. In this scenario, a medium-sized team faced challenges with managing multiple features and urgent bug fixes. By adopting the Git Flow strategy, they observed significant improvements in release management and collaboration. However, they initially faced challenges in adapting to the new workflow. Solutions implemented included comprehensive training sessions and establishing clear guidelines for branch usage. The lessons learned highlighted the importance of choosing a strategy that aligns with the team's needs and providing adequate support during the transition. This case study demonstrates how effective branching strategies can enhance project outcomes. Congratulations on completing this deep dive into mastering Git branching strategies. We've covered essential strategies, from understanding the basics of branches to implementing advanced techniques like Git Flow. Mastering branching is crucial for enhancing collaboration and improving project management. As you continue to explore Git, remember that the right branching strategy can significantly impact your project's success. Keep experimenting with different approaches and refining your skills. The next steps involve applying what you've learned to real projects and continuously learning from your experiences. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you success in your Git branching journey.